Okay, continue. Design first, okay. The process optimization. Process optimization, typically now there's a boundary. We call the meta heuristics. Process optimization, there's called intelligent. Most of the data can be attributed to the. Maybe 20 years ago, there's a trendy string of the research that is related to the meta heuristics. Like PSO, particle swarm, or genetic algorithm, or the ACO ant colony. Now we have the gray wolf. Yeah, this is so different. There's a a mimic optimization process. No matter they're going to observe the behavior of the bird, of the whale or dolphin, whatever. They're just working in harmony in the swarm or in swarm. We call that meta heuristic. Later, this one is or called the artificial neural net. Known as ANN. Yeah, there's originally around the 1980, then evolved into the 2010. It's known as the deep learning. Now still evolving toward the next generation. Actually, we don't know where it's going to an end. It never going to an end. So, and the process robustness study. So we're going to talk about what is the Jinichi Takuchi's robust parameter design. So students will learn to apply control chart, this SPC chart, to monitor the quality characteristic of product or process. So it won't matter. So if you go to the firm, manufacturing firm, you're going to how to improve the quality of the product. If you go to McDonald's or Louisa or manager, so you're going to improve the process, whatever. Or you go to in the operation or process flow firms like so you want to do the service, but like a delivery, like a logistics, Xinzhu Huoyun or whatever, Federal Express or UPS, they're going to so it's all about the process optimization. So what kind of the resource allocation can be made in order to reduce the error, to expedite the process from the raw material until from the registration until the prompt delivery of the final service or product to the customer. Then learn techniques for assessing how capable a process is of achieving given design specification. So as a IE engineer, you need to know what is the spec is, what the spec is. 这个签名那张签完没有？都签完了。
对吧？
那你帮我算一下，今天多少人到？ Have you signed up already? Have you? You need to, no? Why don't we sign up now? You need to sign up.
刚才说我在群组。
Yeah, this specification that is spec, like for example, so this is our product. So for example, the dimension, the weight, or the length or the height going to be the specification like to achieve. So every bottle has been produced before it's been shipped to the customer. We're going to evaluate how much it weighs, or what is the length, what is the width. So what is the particular quality characteristic of interest to the process engineering or our customer. Okay, this known as a spec. Okay, like watch. Okay, when you buy, for the watch production, we're going to evaluate under highest temperature, it's going to function well. So it's going to be the specification of the watch. So it's known as a capability analysis. How capable your process is, or how capable in McDonald's, yeah, let me say. 这全部要买书啊？没有吧？没有吧？没有吧？
没有吧？
没有人要买，对不对？是不是？
还是我在群组上面去拍那个。
你就现在签一签，你订书下礼拜我就要大家都有书，你还弄到什么时候？你不现在搞，我告诉你，你那个看子弹飞要多看几遍，你实在是不懂。让子弹飞，你再看一看。来 ，OK，Yeah，let me more，我看一下。So you indicate after your name M 就是买嘛，对不对？买嘛 M. If you indicate M, you're going to buy the book. If you don't want to buy the book, just leave it blank. 就不要填任何字，好不好？我们开始。什么？我点名的还是这样叫？不要了，这样他们会不会有点尴尬？不会了。好，不会，那我们就来，来把红笔拿出来。来，我一个念。陈威成。你要买吗？要。好来，来。用红笔，红笔。
以前我买这种的，你要买吗？我想问一下学姐。可以啊。
来，换亮橙子，黄亮橙要不要？要勾。这个是牛志玲，要吗？要勾。陈永汉先生，要。再来这个看不懂。朱永琪，要你的字形写好看一点。邓什么荣？窦桂荣。然后李成远、吴展佑，要不要啦？不要。好，来那个石泽宇，在哪里？李宪佳、郑景仁、刘俊，要。詹什么选？詹永权。说话快点。要。看哪一家呀？邱金元。
要。
陈威成。
要。
他说要。朱展成。要。洪立凡。
要。他如果我不要可以给你。
季承胜。
应该可以。
姚志勋。要。曾英奇。要。可能是段瑞成。不用啊。 字写好看一点，黄宇仪，徐慕学，好，柯敏君山，好，赵应竹，然后蒋梦红，蔡梦红，蔡梦红是蛮久的。哦，来那个董静怡 ，OK， 刘家静，安凯杰，安凯杰，OK 的 ，OK， 林国汉，不用了，不用，然后再来是吴尚廷，林正吉是吧？要，对，然后这个看不懂的，孙什么啦？孙什么啦？用不到。孙瑞吉啊，孙瑞吉是谁？不要，我帮问。然后OK， Miss Akansha, would like to buy the book?
没关系。
So you're not going to take the course? Yeah, don't worry. No pressure.
I'm still like, I just got an email from Professor Jennifer.
What?
I just got an email from Professor Jennifer. I told you
Professor Zheng. Oh, Zheng. Jennifer, yes.
I told you yesterday.
Yeah.
So she said you can enroll for my class.
Okay.
Just take your advisor's.
Okay, you can take the other course instead. Yeah, sure. Yeah, 这个先不要想，这个是张志来了，康家伟，
我再考虑一下。
对，好，那这个。Yeah, if you not buy the book, you can to get a used copy, or you can borrow the book from your senior friends. Okay, I don't want to see the photocopy, the plagiarized, authorized copy in my class. Please don't do that. 好，可以了，好，谢谢。那个学鼓掌就按照这去定。好吧，一定要打个折吧，叫他们就不要赚太多。
好，我问一下。
你就报出你的名号就好了。
报出你的。Yes.
Professor, the book you said has two versions. One is for the international.
The same. The different only the paperback or the content is the same. Okay, the same.
他没有玩。
Yeah, this is international version. This is cheaper. Why? Since it only sold circulate around Asia. If you go to America, there's a hardcover, much expensive than this. Okay, like when I was a United States student, for each book $200. $200. Okay, learn technique for assessing how capable. The capability can be applied to the product, or can be applied to the process, or even the whole plant, or the entire assembly line. Then third one, design and analyze experiment for improvement of manufacturing process, as I mentioned right here. I mentioned use the design experiment that gentleman mentioned. ANOVA will be the quite primitive one. Typically we use a factorial design. Or there's a quite popular in practice. Most of the practitioners prefer using that for the Takuchi design. Takuchi is a Japanese scientist in 1980 who invented the Takuchi approaches. Then realize the last one, realize how the modern quality management system work under a competing environment. Like now we just pushing ourselves forward into the era of Industry 4.0. So this is like resources optimized or the resource effective or resource efficient production mode. So from the Industry 1.0, which was around the 70-60 or 70-80. Yeah, there's a then move to the Industry 2.0 that occurred around the 1870. So at that time, 这个就是那个鸦片战争，不是鸦片，不是真主的，工业2.0大概就是在看鸦片战争第二次 ，OK， electricity has been broadly applied. Electricity can be in a long distance delivery. Now talk about the Industry 3.0. It's about the 1980 advent and the invention of the semiconductor processing chip, and the internet technology. So then we now moving forward Industry 4.0, smart manufacturing, digital twin, the enterprise intelligentization, robotics, and so on and so forth. So we try to use the most resource effective way. So we move from the mass production, best production into the volume production, then move into the knowledge economy, shared economy, style economy, and then circular economy. Then for the future, actually, I expect we are facing the AI economy in the near future, maybe in 2030. So, okay. Let's talk about how we perform the evaluation. The 30%, the homework assignment. Homework assignment, most of them going to be for each chapter, end of chapter, we're going some exercise. They're going to. I think the homework will be given on a weekly basis. So on the weekly basis, we're going to submit in 1 week like that. Okay, remember, in my statistical course, going to do 2 weeks. However, in the PUM class, only 1 week due. 1 week due. Okay, so if the homework assigned today, you need to submit next week. So, okay, be cautious. The quiz, so this homework may be 20%, 10% about the quiz. So before the exam or final, I give you a simulated examination to warm you up before go to the big test. Then midterm 30%, final 30%. The 10% we call the participation, then will based upon the roll calling. Okay, including today, how many roll calling if you all are present or you show up, so you get a 10 point automatically. So I'm so nice, I'm a nice guy, I give you 10 points before the class begins, right? So any question about the evaluation? 30, yeah. Question? No? Okay, thank you. So this is a possible syllabus, most of them. Review of the midterm. So I give so going to have a quiz, maybe 90 minutes. 90 minutes for quiz, and well, so the remaining time going to lecture. So first before midterm, we cover the material. So we're going to cover from chapter 1 until chapter 5. Lights, so lights before the semester ends. We hope we can cover up to chapter 8. So this is textbook. So Douglas Montgomery, who is a professor of the United States in Arizona State University, who already retired. This is a professor Yongjin Park in the department, right? 韩国教授, that's Yongjin Park. The Montgomery will be Yongjin's advisor, the thesis advisor. Something. Now this is the older version. I think this is a newer version. This is 7. Okay, just 第7版，你要跟着 A 店讲，要第7版。Yes. Okay, so I'm going to. Okay, I will upload later, maybe in the evening of tonight. I will upload the first 3 chapters, the slides in PDF. Please download by yourself to print it out yourself. So just read it. So I think I will call it today now, and then remember, if you change your mind, talk to that gentleman very quickly. Otherwise, the gentleman going to present order today. 在板上告诉大家要付多少钱。我告诉你，你就书不要先给他们，先收钱。
好。
先收钱，先收钱。Okay. Any questions so far? No. Okay. See you next week. Remember, everybody, you need to print the slide yourself. I'm gonna check one by one next week. Right? Okay. See you around.